Section 19. The next letter we are going to learn to write is a consonant. The sound is V. V for vase. I want you to find the letter V on page 19 in your book. Page 19 looks like this. We are going to work with the sound V. Say the sound and words after me. V. 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 For violin. V for van. Let's say it again. V for violin. V for van. We are now going to practice writing the sound V. Please put your finger on the first V. I'm going to show you how to write the V. We start on the second line, down in a point, and back up at a slanting line to the other side. Trace it with your finger. And now trace it with your crayon. Now that you have traced the first letter, let's go to the second V. Put your finger on the second V. I'm now going to show you how to write the V. Slanting line down and back up a slanting line with a point at the bottom. Trace it with your finger. Now trace it with your crayon. Now that you've done the second V, let's go to the last V. Put your finger on the last V. I'm going to show you again how to write the V. Slanting line and a point. Back up, slanting line to the right. Please trace it with your finger. And now trace it with your crayon. Let's read it again. V for violin. V for van. Now that you have practiced writing the V, the sound V, see if you can write it on your own. When you have finished writing the letter V, you can color in the vase and flowers. V for vase. I put the flowers in a vase. Well done. Give yourself a hug and say, I am a star. Now go to Classroom 1, Section 20.